Hi fellas, today again back with the Cooking with Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna do a vegetarian pasta. It's called it's ricotta and spinach. It's very simple and easy, and also it's a very cheap way to make at your home. So I'm gonna introduce the ingredients today. This is a spinach, it's a handful of onion and 2 cloves of garlic and 250 grams of pasta and 3 tablespoons of ricotta cheese and Napoli sauce. I'm gonna show you in a different video how you're gonna make the Napoli sauce and ricotta and cheese. Okay, first of all, you heat up the pan, then you're gonna add some olive oil. You can choose any oil, whatever you want, and let it heat it up. First you're gonna put onion and garlic and let it saute. Let it get brown. Once it gets brown, so you're gonna put the Napoli sauce on it. And then I'm gonna put a little bit water because this Napoli sauce is a bit thick. And as I said, I'm gonna use 250 grams of pasta. According to that, I'm gonna put nearly 300 milliliters of Napoli sauce. So let it boil first. Guys, make sure put the salt and pepper according to your taste. So let it boil. As you can see, it's boiling up. Once it's boiling up, make sure you're gonna put the cooked pasta. Once it's boiled, you're gonna put the pasta in. So leave it for 1 or 2 minutes. Let it suck all the flavors, because that's how it's gonna suck the flavors. And then you're gonna 2 tablespoons of ricotta cheese. And I'm gonna mix it thoroughly, break through it. You know, the sauces stick together, the pasta, that's how it needs to be. And later on you're gonna put the spinach into it. But make sure you don't put the spinach at the beginning. Before you take it 1 minute or 2 minutes earlier, you put the spinach. Otherwise, spinach gonna be mushy. So you're gonna mix it thoroughly. Oh, it smells nice. So it's done now. Final product. Hi guys, this is the perfect way to do a ricotta pasta. It's, as you can see, you can done this thing within 5 to 10 minutes. It's nice and easy, and you can serve to your guests or your friends or whoever is coming to visit you. And it's very cheap way too. So now I'm gonna taste this one, and look at it's really the aroma is really nice, smell really good. So I'm gonna taste it. It's really yum. So thanks guys, thanks for watching me, thanks for subscribing me with Cooking with Brown Chef, and see you with a different video. Cheers.